Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to talk with you today.
Yes, we are. Today we have a very important topic. Oh, wow. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself.
Yes. This is the first thing you do when you meet someone new. It can make you very nervous.
I know, Alice. Making a first impression can be scary, but it is actually very easy.
Right. Beginners always ask me, what should I say after hello?
Don't worry at all. Today we will learn step-by-step phrases to introduce yourself naturally.
Perfect. If you want to learn clear, simple English with us every day, please subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button and the little bell. It helps our friendly community grow.
Thank you so much. Now find a comfortable place, relax, and let's practice together.
So, Alice, do you remember the first time you introduced yourself in English?
Oh, yes, I do. I was terrified. My mind went completely blank.
That is very common. Your mind goes blank. That means you forget everything because you are nervous.
Right. What about you, David? Do you ever get nervous introducing yourself?
Sometimes, especially in a big group of people, but having a simple plan helps.
Oh, wow, a plan, like a mental list of things to say?
Exactly. Today we will learn 5 simple things to share: your name, your country, your job, your hobbies, and a friendly closing.
That sounds like an excellent plan. Introduce yourself.
Yes, introduce yourself. It just means telling someone who you are.
Now let's start with step number 1, your name.
When you meet someone, the first thing you share is your name.
What is the most natural way to say it? I usually say, my name is Alice.
That is perfect and very clear. My name is.
My name is Alice. Is there another way?
Yes. In casual conversation, people often say, I'm.
Oh, I'm Alice. That is short for I am, right?
Right. It is very common. I'm David.
I'm Alice. It is faster than my name is.
Yes. Now, what if people cannot pronounce your name easily? Or what if your name is very long?
Oh, I know. You can give them a short name, a nickname.
Exactly. Yes. You can say, please call me.
Oh, please call me. For example, if my name is Alexandra, I say, please call me Alex.
Perfect example, Alice. Please call me Alex.
Right. Let's practice. Hi, my name is Alexandra, but please call me Alex.
Wow, that sounds very natural and super friendly. The next thing people usually want to know is your country or city.
I always say I come from France. Is that okay?
Yes, that is good, but there is a more common phrase. You can say, I'm from.
Oh, I'm from. For example, I'm from France.
Exactly. Yes, I'm from. It is very simple.
I'm from Spain. I'm from Japan. Oh, wow, this is easy.
What if you were born in one country, but now you live in a different city?
That is a great question. Many English learners live in new places.
You can say, I'm originally from Italy, but I live in London now.
Oh, wow. Let's break that down. I'm originally from. That means where you were born?
Right. Originally means at the beginning.
Ah, I see. I'm originally from Brazil, but I live in New York now.
Brilliant. Let's repeat that slowly. I'm originally from.
I love this phrase. It tells a nice story.
Yes, it does. It gives the other person something interesting to talk about.
Next, people often ask, what do you do?
What do you do? That means what is your job, right?
Yes. Yes. To answer, you can say, I am a or I am an.
Oh, I am a teacher. I am an engineer.
Perfect. Remember to use an before a vowel sound, like engineer or accountant.
Right. What if I don't have a job right now? What if I am a university student?
You can say, I'm a student at, and then say the name of your school.
I'm a student at university.
Or, if you are retired and finished with work, you say, I'm retired.
Ah, I see. I'm retired. No more alarms in the morning.
Yes, being retired sounds very nice.
What if I look after my house and family?
That is a very important job. You can say, I'm a homemaker, or I'm a stay-at-home parent.
Oh, I'm a homemaker. Let's practice. I am a homemaker.
Excellent. Now you can explain your daily life clearly. Now we are at the fun part of the introduction, your hobbies.
Yay! Hobbies are great to talk about. I usually say my hobbies are reading and cooking.
That is correct, but native speakers often use a warmer phrase. They say, in my free time, I like to.
Oh, wow! In my free time, I like to. It sounds so friendly.
Yes. For example, in my free time, I like to play football.
In my free time, I like to watch movies.
Perfect. Another fantastic B1 level phrase is, I'm into.
I'm into? Does that mean I am inside something? No more alarms in the morning.
No. To be into something means you like it very much. It is your passion.
Oh, I see. So if I love photography, I can say I'm really into photography.
Exactly. I'm into. It is very modern and natural.
I'm into music. I'm into learning English.
Yes, I hope all our listeners are into learning English.
Right. Let's say it together. I'm into learning English.
After you finish introducing yourself, you need to say something nice to close the conversation.
What is the classic phrase? Nice to meet you?
Yes, that is the king of phrases. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do I say this at the beginning or the end?
You can say it right after they tell you their name or at the very end of your introduction.
I see. Is there another option, just to change it sometimes?
Yes, you can say, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, that sounds very elegant. It's a pleasure to meet you.
It is a little more formal, but people love it. It shows great manners.
Yes. Pleasure to meet you.
And how should the other person reply to you, Alice?
They should say, nice to meet you too. Just add to at the end.
Perfect. Nice to meet you too. Now the introduction is complete.
Now, Alice, let's put all our steps together. Let's do a complete introduction like we are meeting new people at a social club.
Oh, let me try first. I am a little bit nervous, but here I go.
You can do it. Just follow the steps from name to hobby. Smile and take your time.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alice. Please call me Allie. I'm originally from France, but I live in Canada now. I am a student, and I have one brother. In my free time, I'm really into playing the guitar and cooking. It's a pleasure to meet you all.
Oh, wow. Wow, Alice. That was absolutely incredible. 10 out of 10.
Thank you, David. My heart was beating fast, but using short sentences really saved me.
Yes, short sentences are your best friend when you speak a new language. They keep you calm and help you breathe.
Right. Now it's your turn, David. Introduce yourself to our wonderful listeners around the world.
Hello, I'm David. I'm from London, which is my hometown. I am an English teacher. I have 2 siblings. In my free time, I like to hike in nature, and I enjoy reading books. Nice to meet you all.
Excellent. See, it is not too long. It is simple, clear, and very pleasant to hear.
Remember, an introduction is not a monologue. After you finish, you must ask about the other person.
How do I invite them to speak? Do I say, now your turn, go?
No, that is a bit too forceful, Alice. It might make them jump.
True. What should I say instead to sound sweet?
You can ask a simple question like, what about you? Or how about you?
Oh, what about you? That is so easy and short to remember.
Yes. For example, I am a teacher. What about you?
I see. How about you?
Or you can ask a longer, polite question. Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Oh, wow. That is a very polite, beautiful phrase. Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Yes. It opens the door for them nicely. People love to answer it.
Let me practice that long one. Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Perfect. Now you have the keys to start, continue, and balance a conversation.
Now, it is your turn to practice at home. Oh, wow. Do not be quiet. Speak out loud with us right now, wherever you are.
Yes, imagine you are meeting a new friend at a beautiful coffee shop. I will ask the questions, and you answer during the silence.
Let's start with step 1. Alice, ask them their name.
Hi there, what's your name? 3, 2, 1. Yes, you should say, my name is or I'm. Great job.
Now let's practice step 2. Alice, ask about their country.
Where are you from? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you should say, I'm from or I'm originally from. Fantastic.
Let's do step 3 about their job.
What do you do for work? 3, 2, 1. Superb. You can say, I am a or I'm a student.
Let's do one more about hobbies. Ask them what they like to do.
What do you like to do in your free time? 3, 2, 1. Right. You can say, in my free time I like to or I'm into.
Oh, wow. You did a wonderful job. See, you can introduce yourself in English perfectly. We learned so many amazing, helpful phrases today. Let's do a slow final review to anchor them.
Please repeat after me one last time to keep them in your mind forever.
Phrase 1. I'm or my name is.
I'm Alice. This is how I start.
Phrase 2. Please call me.
Please call me Ali. This is for my short nickname.
Phrase 3. I'm originally from, but I live in.
I'm originally from France, but I live in London. This explains my travel history.
Phrase 4. In my free time, I like to or I'm into.
I'm into learning English. This shows my passion.
Phrase 5. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is the classic polite closing.
You did a magnificent job today. Yes, be very proud of your effort and your progress.
Haha, yes. Every time you practice speaking out loud, your accent becomes smoother and you get more confident. You are getting better every single day.
We want to know you better because our channel is like a big family. Please connect with us right now in the comments.
Could you tell us a little about yourself? What is your name? Where are you from? And what is your favorite hobby?
Oh, wow, yes. Write your short introduction in the comments section below. Alice and I will read every single one.
We love reading your messages so much. In our next lesson, we will learn how to describe your daily routine from morning to night.
Oh, that will be super practical for everyday speaking practice. Don't miss it.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning. Stay safe and stay confident.